Jai Hind everyone. Today I would like to share my views on the topic Josimath crisis. So recently we have seen that in the village of Josimath there have been the cases of developed cracked, and due to which the people are very much panicked, and as of now the government is also rehabilitating the people from the affected areas. So firstly I would like to talk about what are its causes, and then I would also like to talk about what are the way outs, what the government can do and what the people can do at the same time. So I would like to talk about the causes itself. So firstly, if you talk about the Josimath place itself, we know that Josimath is situated or is being formed, established at that place where there is already a landslide. So land there in Josimath is not very much stable. So it is the cause number one which has led to this present situation or this present crisis. Whereas if I talk about the second cause, which is the major cause, as of now we have seen that the development that is happening in the rural villages of Uttarakhand or in the famous places of Uttarakhand, we can see that it is not very much sustainable and not well thought of, and due to which we have seen many times there have been disaster, like in 2013 we saw the Kedarnath floods, and even in 2019 and 20 we saw what happened in Chamoli itself, a glacier floods were there. So several times we have seen these kind of incidents have taken place in Uttarakhand. So in my opinion, what can be done is that there should be a proper sustainable development, proper planning must be done, environment economic assessment must be done, so that if something is being thought of by the government, I believe that it should happen in a sustainable and well planned way. So I believe that that can be done. And as of now the situation that is panning out in Josimath, I believe that the people should be rehabilitated at a proper place, and the second thing is that the people should also be given compensation by the state government itself. And in future if something similar happens, I believe that the government should be very cautious of it as well. We have seen that over the years, not only in Uttarakhand, also in Himachal and also in various hilly areas of Uttarakhand or even in other states, we have seen that these type of incidents are frequently happening. So in my opinion, we should be very cautious of it as well. At last I would like to talk about what could be done, what can be the way out, as we know that India is a fast developing economy, and to develop our economy we have to develop our rural villages, we have to develop our hilly areas, but at the same time we cannot forget that the environment must also be taken care of, and the development that should happen, it should happen at a very sustainable way, so that the people are also getting benefit from it, the country should also get benefit from it, and also the environment should not get damaged. Thank you.